Hi friends, today let's discuss create once and sell again and again. What if your kids could create something once and sell it again and again? Let me show you 4 fun ideas that teach kids creativity, problem solving and how real business work. Number 1 on this list would be DIY game. Kids can create their own simple game using paper or cardboard. They can draw a board or puzzle game. They can make some pieces using cardboard, rocks, buttons, etc. They create rules to play the game. It could be a maze game, treasure hunt, or even a family challenge. Now here's the business idea. Once the game is created, they can create multiple copies of it and sell them again and again. Create once and sell many times. Scale up idea would be printable version, holiday edition, classroom packs, family game bundles. What kids learn from them? Creativity, product design, problem solving. Next in this list is handmade storybook. Yes, this is powerful for building their creativity and confidence. Kids create their own storybooks. How it works? They think simple storyline, break it down into small pages, draw simple illustrations and write on each page 1 to 2 lines, and their book is ready. You can also refer my video on how to teach them how to write stories. Then they turn it into real book with a cover and their name as author. Now take one step further. They can offer custom storybook. Imagine a child receiving a storybook with their own name as the main character. This is where it becomes really powerful. Kids can create one story and then reuse the same story with small changes like names, colors, etc. Create once, personalize and sell many times. Change the name, colors or characters. Now one story becomes many products. Scale up idea would be birthday versions, holiday stories, custom family books, printable downloads. What kids learn from it? Storytelling, confidence, creativity, and how personalization can increase value of something. Third in this category is kids friendly dictionary. What if kids explain difficult words in a way other kids actually understand? Instead of boring definitions, kids can come up with fun definitions those other kids can understand. Kids learn best from other kids. Turn these words into flashcards, mini books, posters and printable learning packs. The scale up idea would be money words, business words, science words, school survival packs. What kids learn? Communication, teaching skill, financial literacy and simplifying ideas. Idea 4. Story prompt cards. This one builds huge creativity and critical thinking. Funny prompts like, what if I shrank to the size of an ant? What if pizza rained from the sky? Kids create stories, drawings or solutions from each idea and one day can be sold again and again. Scale up idea would be funny prompts, business prompt, science prompt, classroom challenge cards. What kids learn from it? Critical thinking, imagination, storytelling and problem solving. This is how creators think. They build something once and then they turn it into the product that keeps working for them again and again. You are not just teaching your kid how to make money. You are teaching them how to create value, solve problem and think like an entrepreneur. In our next video, we will see last category which will help them create money in a recurring fashion. Thank you for being with me in this video and I look forward to see you in the next one. Thank you so much.